Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want tasks to automatically reappear in your Todoist every day, week, or month? Let me show you how to set up recurring tasks. First, the free plan allows recurring tasks, so you can use this without upgrading. To create a recurring task, type your task name, then use natural language to set the repeat pattern. For a daily task, type every day or daily. For example, drink water every day. For a weekly task, type every Monday or every week on Friday. Example, team meeting every Monday at 10 a.m. For a monthly task, type every first for the first of each month or every month on the 15th. Example, pay rent every month on the first. For custom intervals, type every 2 days, every 3 weeks, or every 6 months. Example, change password every 90 days. You can also set end dates. Type starting tomorrow or ending December 31st. Example, weekly report every Friday ending December 31st. Here's a pro trick. For tasks that repeat after completion, not on a fixed schedule, type every 3 days. The exclamation mark means the 3 day count starts when you check it off, not on a calendar date. To edit or delete a recurrence, open the task and click the repeat icon next to the due date. Change the pattern or select, remove repeat. One limitation to know, Todoist won't create the next occurrence until you complete the current one. So you won't see every Monday tasks for next week until you check off this week's. And that's it. Recurring tasks automate your routines so you never have to type the same task twice. If you use recurring tasks, let me know your most frequent repeat schedule in the comments. See you in the next one.